Check in, guys. Welcome back to the Smith's World TV. Alright, today we are about to pack the coal skill. Alright, so Ricky start pack it, and as you can see, we're screwing the wood them here so to keep up the middle piece standing. Alright, so I'm use a drill and screw it in. So just look at how he's packing the coal skill.
It's a modern technology.
Right, modern technology, guys.
Instead of have somebody holding it up. Right.
So let me show you the woods that he will be using to pack the coal skill. Or the fire stick them.
What them?
They say a wood, I don't know, fire stick. Yeah, so that is it. So check it out. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Okay? Subscribe and let us know how you like the videos. And comment to people. Comment in the comment section.
So we get the charcoal, huh? So we can have
Cold to cook.
charcoal for cook.
Right.
All sort of cooking people. You understand? We do a lot of jerking, so you're gonna need it.
Whole heap of coal.
Yeah, we need a whole heap of coal, charcoal. So we do our own thing, guys. Alright?
Bella, say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to our videos.
That is it. You hear people? You hear Bella say? So Bella get big, guys. Bella is getting so big.
Yeah.
Look at wash belly. Yeah.
You want to say you wash baby?
Definitely, of course. Huh?
No, you don't want the next wash?
You Bella ask about she wants sister, like say sister drop from sky. Isabel? Oh, are you if you tell me how come sky it a drop from where? From me? No.
Yes, you and Daddy.
Yes, guys, so we do a pocket coal skill and things. So by Ricky said want to take 2 days if you finish packet. Yeah, because today Saturday people, and at what time now? I don't even know what time.
What's going on?
Yeah, about after 3 or so. So, yeah, probably might take about 3 days or so.
Hopefully.
See, pack it, light it, and grass it.
Yeah.
Grass it and light it.
Yeah, girl.
Not light it and grass it, guys. My bad. Hey guys. Yeah, so yeah, where does it go, Ricky? Camera look like you want to wipe off some. 3 days?
Because not a lot of wood in it.
Yeah, because that one here now got so big, guys.
Right.
Now got so big.
About 3 days, so and then again it's jode, so we hardly can find grass.
Yeah.
We use the bush when you rice and peas.
Yeah, comment in the comment section if you know the rice and peas bush, a coal bush too, you know, guys.
Yeah, I think they can.
Yeah, coal bush, so we have to go use that.
Right, to cover it. Because that jode is dry.
What is that?
Dry.
You like slime.
Don't touch it.
Daddy,
Alright,
It's
so
only bunny.
this come off our
subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel, alright? Go.
No, Dream Island. Daddy Herald and Mommy Ivan was to come. And, you know, have this. Because, you know, I'm adventurous. I love them things, you know, so
Yeah.
kind of busy. So tomorrow we have a link up. Tomorrow Sunday. Yeah, man, we have a link up, man. Good people, man. Love them.
Yes, guys, we're gonna meet up with Daddy Errol and
Yeah, man.
Mommy Ivan That is Cameron family. Cameron father and mother. His parent. Wanna link up with them guys. We're going river tomorrow. Yep. Bella is up for that.
Can't wait for river.
You say Isabel?
Can't wait. Because when water they gone, a long time they gonna pool.
Long time I'm going to pool, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And summer soon up, you know. So, yeah, summer soon up, so I have to go back to school now. So, you have to get all the fun that there is.
Nah, go fun na grade 2. Nah, go fun na grade 2.
Yeah, have fun, same, but, you know,
I
more
mean,
work.
grade 2 is big picnic. And I asked a friend, Maria, and then she did say grade 2 not that fun.
Grade 2 not that fun?
Because Maria, she a big picnic and that time that me I got big picnic. So
That's the time you go big picnic. How can I talk in that? You better. You're not 7 until October.
No, after September, October.
Yeah. So your birthday the right one the card. I'm not to realize. Enrique?
Their birthday.
Yes, if me not talk now, me do realize say September, October. October our birthday guys, the 26th of October. Isabel will
2019.
yes, Isabel will be what?
7.
Good, yes.
And then we start over again and then me I go turn 8.
You want to run dog for your little age.
No, mommy, me just tell people after 7, then 8, and then me I go.
Yes, and then 9, then 10, and then much again. 11, 12. Yes, so.
I grow so fast, time I move.
Me say me never realize say September, October. So me have to go make a cake for you, Bella. Which cake you gonna want? Which team cake? You don't know yet. Or when you decide?
But me not go. You remember the last time I told Stranger Things of me about that one?
Pretty up this skill, you know, people.
About that one.
Mine neat and fine. Yeah, my lady friend that she burn coal as well. Yeah, man, my bonafide friend. She tell me say she not neat and fine. And as she cook, she cut it. She cut it. She do everything herself. Big woman. She about 60 something or 50 something. Yeah, about
60.
yeah, man, she love burn her.
I want a
her
beach
coat.
cake. I want a beach cake.
Motivate her.
Yeah, the blue sea. I like the blue sea.
Okay.
So I want a beach cake.
Okay, let's see about that one. Yeah, so stick and stay, guys, while the scale is being packed. When they pack up some more, we come back to you. Alright, people? So, like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Smith's World TV. Alright? Yeah.
You can't stop it now.
Yeah. Don't shake it. Alright guys, so this is how far we reach in packing the coal scale. This is how far we reach. Still have a lot.
So we have to start over.
Still have a lot more to go, guys. Never did I go saying about we have to start over, but because the coal scale turn over.
Everything fall apart.
Everything fall apart, guys. Turn over. Turn over. Yeah. So we have to start it back. I don't know what went wrong, but yeah, this is how it's looking at this moment. Yeah, so stick and stay, guys, with the Smith World TV. Soon come back. Check in, guys. So here we have the coal scale fully packed already. Yes, we get rain today and something, so that's why Ricky put the zinc on top, because I don't want the middle part to get wet. So the scale fully packed to be grass and then light, but through the drought, guys, we don't see the grass. So this is the bush, the coal bush, guys. I don't know if you don't know it. It bears some pink blossom on it. So that is what is going to go on the coal scale and then dirt it. Alright, and see the stone them start pack around it already. Yes, so I'm gonna look some more them rice and I think a rice and peas bush. I think I saw your name. Yeah, cover the coal scale and then dirt it. Right. So coal scale pack, and you know that little, guys, little estimate wrong, because we did say it I go small. So yeah, as I can see, it not that small. It's not that small. Alright, so as me down here, I'm just give you a little update on the pig them as well. Some over there, and them just get them feed and thing. I gotta go around here anyway, so check them out, guys. They are eating. So we have 2 in this pen here, and then this one over here. Mosquito bite them up as the people. Alright, and then this giant one here. So them 2 pig over here are female girl them. Yes. So them called the other day. So we get this pig and outfit, jump the 2 pigs. So hopefully them catch. Alright. So yeah, them might eat. They're eating. Clean up the ground already. Alright, so check in around at the back section and let me can see them good. Alright, so one little one here, so guys. Yeah, you might eat. Alright, so we'll go over the other 2 now. Alright, so see some over here, so now they might full up them belly. Put them shell down feeding already. So them clean, guys. That's how we keep our animals clean. Alright, so now go over the other section and I'm gonna see. Yes, guys, so see the rest here. Them shell down them feeding already, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys. So tomorrow, when the coal skill I go dirt and grass, guys, I will let you see that. All right. Yes. So stick and stay to Miss World TV, guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So yeah, evening now, guys. So tomorrow we'll come back to you and let you see all of that. All right, check in, guys. So today is Thursday, and yeah, Ricky start to grass it. As you can see, it's the cold bush we use because we can't get no grass at this time. The place dry, so yeah, put on some of the rice and peas bush, guys. That is the cold bush. Yeah, so it almost grass. So I'm gonna look some more because it is going to need more. So yeah, man, people, it's a good look. It is a good look, guys. So most of that section here need to grass. So I'm gonna go grass it. I don't know if I'm gonna light it today because I'm gonna have to throw up some dirt. When I'm finish grass it, guys, I'm gonna have to throw the dirt on the bush. Yeah, that's how you light a coal skill. That's how you make a coal skill. Yeah, man, people. But as you can see, place bleaky. We get a lot of rain yesterday. Give thanks to that because the place really did need it. You know, so place bleaky. Me wouldn't mind a fall, but we need a coal skill to get going. A lot of people want coal right now. So yeah, basically after it grass already. So the dirt leaf we go on it, and then then I'm gonna light it. As you can see, I have a leather there. That's what him use to go on top of it. Alright? Yeah, man, people. So comment in the comment section if you use coal to cook. Yeah, because sometimes we use coal, guys. Yeah. Sometimes we use it. And we still have to go back to that because gas is so expensive. Gas get dear, guys. So we still have to turn back to coal. Even the wood fire to people. Even the wood fire. So yeah, man, stick and stay, guys, until finish grass and dirt. Checking, people, as you can see. Nearly drop. As you can see, the coal skill grass, fully grass. Just one little spot there, so. But it is fully grass and ready to they call it dirt. Take a look, people. Bella is over there using. What you doing?
First time using this and I know that it is.
First time I use that?
Yeah, I not even know if I use it.
What your name?
Cutlass.
Okay. Careful.
Yeah, I not even know if I use this something here.
Alright, so let me show you what is taking place. Careful.
Yeah.
I see people there. The grass already, guys, so the dirt need to chew on it.
What grass is?
Me know no grass, me tell them already.
Oh, how you tell the people?
Well, a bush. Coal bush.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, coal bush.
Coal bush there. So when there is no grass, when there is a drought, you can use this. So now we have drought, no rain. Take a lot of work.
Take time, Bella.
Yeah, I can't cut that tree here.
So leave it.
Bella, go for your rest.
Alright, people, so stay tuned. Soon dirt now and things, so checking back with you when start dirt. Alright guys, check in. So the coal skill start dirt now. As you can see.
Rainfall yesterday, so the dirt wet. That's why you're not seeing a lot of dust. So it's better that way. Hard work, you know? That is it. I love easy work, you know, people. I love not easy. Come too easy, goes easy. We do everything.
See a dirt black and pretty, guys. Look at that.
A lot of people say that it is good for planting, you know. We try it one time, okay?
Yeah. Never work out. I guess you have to mix it, guys. You can't just plant in the coal dust alone. You have to mix it with other dirt, with dirt.
Grandma, so when she come down from foreign, she want to put a bag of it. She will do some planting. Set up our garden, so. Let's see if it's going to work for her. Alright. Get going. Get going.
Lots of work, guys.
Daddy here all the same one come do a video, you know. Dream Island TV, but probably him busy. Call him later. Gonna cook some food, eh? The hard work here, cook food.
We're late to dinner already.
Yeah. You know, people in love with food when we are cooking. Dumpling. Alright, I need some more. The rice and peas, but some of this dirt, that section here. Get some more. Probably finish up it tomorrow. Tired.
Hear that, people? So let's go dirt probably one side, and tomorrow we'll finish dirt.
Yeah, the sun burned me out today. Good morning, mate. The panic. Easy if you cut it, bush and carry it up the hill. Only for that, you know. So work can make me sweat and take off. Lose a lot of weight. Yeah. If gym now work for you, if gym now work for you,
Bone coal, people.
Teach you know to make core skill. Just sweat. Burn a lot of calories. That is it.
Alright, people, so stay tuned. Okay, until tomorrow again, everything will be finished and light. Alright, guys, so remember, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, baby.
Checking, people, today is Friday, and the whole scale is partially covered with the dirt, as you can see. Yes, sir, here cover the whole scale with the dirt and put it. So there it is. Rain never fall last night, so the dirt dry. So here it is. It's a big coal skill, guys, but we burned bigger than this before, so we're gonna see how much coal we're gonna get from this coal skill. how much bag. So guys, I am counting, say 80 something bags I'm gonna get from this. Around 80. Yes, so comment in the comment section how much you think I'm gonna get from this. Alright people, remember no comment. Alright, so when you light it, me come back. Alright guys, so please remember like, comment, share and subscribe. Check in people. So the fire light now for the whole skill. The fire the guys light to shoot down in the top of the coal skill.
Another one?
Down in the coal skill top. Down in there it go.
Yeah people, so normally some people they light it from the bottom, but me like to light it from the top. You understand? So we're on the final course, you know. Yeah man, give thanks to another beautiful day. Give God thanks, health and strength. And we have to put him first, you know that. So we're gonna light the skill, you know, and get it going. Normally it takes about 7 days. Or probably a little bit more depending on the wind. So if the wind blow too much, you are going to close the air vent them. So you want the wood them to soak or the fire stick them as Bunky would have said. Big up Bubba, thanks to the help. Big up Little and Bigger, thanks to the help from the beginning. And see them now, finally get it done. So we can with charcoal, we do a lot of cooking out there people. So on the top of it, you are going to use a piece of stick. After you light it and push it back down in the middle so that the fire not burn and come up and bust the top. Right? So you are going to put a piece of zinc. Right? Before you put the zinc, you are going to cover it up with the bush or the grass after you light it. Right? Because sometimes you light it, people, and it did are going like set light, but it's not light. I have to pull off back everything and then redo it. So you just want the fire catch up good, pour it down in the hole and get it light up people. Hard work, I'm not lie. It's not easy.
Guys, I'm going to climb up and see.
Fire drop it up.
Alright, so see the hole there up in at the top. Yeah. So
Right,
fire,
go
I'm going to go down in
Go
there.
on up. Go over the other side.
What? Alright, so guys, we're on top of the whole skill. So see the whole the people. The light, you know guys. You can't drop through.
You jump through it.
See
You know what will take place.
on the fire.
You want to go right down in the belly. Straight down.
See that people?
Right.
Live and direct.
But we start it off with some dry wood before, you know. So it will catch up now and then it spread the fire all around. Them thing are tradition. We do this from your little boy. I want my grandma keep money and all of them thing there.
Oh.
Me and my cousin them burn coal. So we don't have to depend on parents. And sometimes parents don't have it either. And we want to enjoy ourselves at Grand Market. So we burn with 5 and with 10 bags. And sell one little man when he am feather. God bless his soul, he's dead already. Any amount we burn him buy from us. And we take the money there, go Grand Market and buy our little things them what we need and enjoy ourselves. So see it there now. That's it. Follow the process.
Alright guys, so me I come down now.
I pray to you.
Alright. So guys, as you can see, it is smoking.
Not catch up yet.
Not
Still,
catch yet.
It have probably one good 30 minutes. You leave it there. That's the catch up.
Alright, people.
Yeah, wait, me have some, me want video I go do one very, very nice video. Yeah man, we have one new invention, so we need charcoal. So instead of we go buy coal, burn our own coal, people. You see it? Yeah man, we do everything, you know, people. We raise fish, raise pig, try everything in our life, you know, because if one thing don't work, something else will work, you see me? You understand? You can't just say nothing now, go on and get up, hold your hand. You have to do something. And I like we have to do this still, you know, but we just love do our own thing, you know? Right. I know shame in working hard, burning coal, farming, whatever. There's no shame in it because what happen, people always look down upon people who do certain things. People work on rubbish truck and all of them something and oh, I don't want to do certain work. But if you go to the bank with the money, who will tell say a rubbish truck your work pan or a coal your butt? See your money, people. And God bless those who help themselves. And by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread.
Alright, guys. So, stick and stay as I said before. And watch what go on. Alright, people. Alright, guys, check in for your catch up on everything.
That's it.
Yeah, guys. That blaze up.
That the fire wicked, so imagine hell. Where do I hell? Can't get it out.
Yeah, so fire heat strong. Yeah. Heat strong, people.
Alright, fire. Strong people. Lock him down, you know, you understand? That is it, people.
Fire strong, guys. A blaze up in the air.
Lock him down, you know. Alright, Kim, pass this thing. Pass a piece.
This one?
Yeah, pass this one first. Oh, some more. Let me get some. We get some more bush people put over.
Yeah, shut him down, guys.
Yeah, the fire that we catch up in our belly. I didn't know if we got hell in our hand. I held 20 million times hotter than this. Shut up. I made that work for God. Space and move. Alright, we get some more. Sure. I know, say fire penetrate from bottom, come up to the top. So you have to secure the top, people. That is it.
Sun hot. May I say the sun hot?
Get my coal on it. Most hot. Alright. So we see the fire coming out down by the foot.
That come out already.
Eh?
Smoke come out already.
Right. That one.
Can you see, guys, down the bottom?
Alright, give me that piece of stick there. Alright, no worry, me come.
You want to zinc? Stay tuned, guys. Final lap this, guys. So I'm gonna take up some dirt to throw up at the top. Now you have to seal it off back with the dirt.
going up in the water boat. So nothing.
So much smoke it a chump, guys. It's a lot.
Trailer chop muffler. Fine. See me guys. There is the time.
Last lap, guys. Last lap. Dirty top, and then that's it.
I watch a video and I learn something with it. Next time I'm hearing about this on Sunday. Get them out of the lab, you know? Need to do some hard work.
Hard work, guys. Hard work pays off. Don't shame off what you do. Only when you thief you should be ashamed. Okay, guys? Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, so this is the end of this video. This will be part 1 of how we burn coal here in Jamaica. Alright, so this is part 1. Part 2 will be when we pick up the coal and jar down the dirt and thing after it to read the coal. Alright, so stay tuned for that one. So please remember, guys, like up the video, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, guys, recommend the channel to others. Alright, so peace out, guys, and stay blessed.